Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So from today's video I'm gonna start this new thing in which I'm gonna talk about your favorite universities which you ask me to make videos for. So specifically these are the universities which are the most chosen universities by international students, so which are also in a good budget, or even if it's not in a good budget, but I'll try to make video on that particular university. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna talk about Samara State Medical University. You must be thinking why I took this university at first, because I literally got many DMs कि दीदी उसका बजट बता दो, दीदी इसके बारे में बता दो, दीदी ये कैसी है, क्योंकि लास्ट कुछ ईयर्स से बच्चे समारा के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा पूछ रहे हैं कि कैसी यूनिवर्सिटी है, क्या है, वहाँ पे एडमिशन्स भी ज़्यादा गए हैं. तो let's talk about it first. Okay, so let's start talking about Samara State Medical University. Samara State Medical University is situated in a state named Samara. Okay, so Samara की बात करें तो ये स्टेट पहले मॉस्को से पहले रशिया की कैपिटल रह चुकी है. फन फैक्ट अबाउट इट, Samara is located along the river Volga, which makes the view of this whole state so beautiful. Samara have its own international airport. इंडिया में से भी कुछ स्टेट से डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट आती है समारा के लिए. If not just that, you can also take flights direct to Samara via Dubai. So you don't have to go to Moscow first and then go to Samara. You can directly take a flight to Samara. So yep, it have its own international airport, which is a good thing that you don't have to travel that much. Okay, so moving on to the university. अब मेरे को बहुत क्वेश्चंस आए कि समारा का टीचिंग मीडियम क्या है, या फिर यहाँ पे बजट क्या है, हॉस्टल्स का क्या सीन है, या ऑल इन ऑल यूनिवर्सिटी कैसी है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. पहले मीडियम से चालू करते हैं. इट्स अ फुली इंग्लिश यूनिवर्सिटी. इट विल टीच यू इन इंग्लिश फॉर लाइक 6 years. So you don't have to worry if it's a bilingual university. It was, but now it's not. It's a full English medium university which is NMC and WHO approved. So yes, you can take admission here without any worries of it being not approved by any board or anything. It is approved and it's English medium. Okay, so talking about the rankings, as you know, Samara is a government medical university. Its rank in all over Russia is 178th and all over world is 5244th. So the ranks are good. And this university was made in 1990, which makes it like older than a century. So yes, this university is more than 100 years old. Now you know that this university is more than 100 years old. तो इनका पढ़ाने का एक्सपीरियंस भी उतना ही ज़्यादा होगा, which makes it a good university over and all. So yes, we have talked about the medium of their teaching. We have talked about the ranking. We have talked about if it being government or not. The next thing we're gonna talk about is the hostels. So the hostels are like around 5 to 6 hostels are available, in which there are particular hostels for like Indian students, Russian students and other international students. So yeah, you will get a particular hostel for Indian students. I don't particularly know about the numbers of hostels. I haven't been there, to be very honest. I'll be frank about it, but this much I know, so that's why I'm telling. So and the next thing about the hostels is you'll get a kitchen in the hostel and it will be fully furnished. Of course, the kitchen will be for you if you want to cook by yourself, and if you don't want to cook by yourself, you'll also be provided with a mess. Yes, Indian food is available there. Indian mess services are available there, so you can just simply pay for it and get it. तो ऐसा सीन नहीं है कि तुम्हें जाके सेल्फ कुकिंग ही करनी है. You can also get mess. You can also get mess there. Okay, so moving on to the next thing, move on to the next topic, which is our overall budget. So budget की बात करते हैं. ये यूनिवर्सिटी is like more on the low budget side, because you'll get everything like the hostel, your visa extension and everything, your medical checkups and everything, for the tuition fees and everything for whole 6 years under the budget of 25 to 26 lakhs. So yep, I would fully suggest it, क्योंकि अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी कम बजट में मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है, और जो इंग्लिश में भी तुम्हें 6 years पढ़ा रही हो और जिसका एक्सपीरियंस 100 साल से ज़्यादा हो. You get it? Now, moving on to the proper budget. The total is, as I have told, it's around 25 to 26 lakhs. And fees will be around 3,75,000. It may increase because of, every year the university increases its fees as any batch passes out from there. So yep, the fees may increase, but this year it was 3,75,000. And the charges for the medical checkups and biometrics will be around 20,000. मेडिकल चेकअप्स तुम्हें हर जगह हर यूनिवर्सिटी में कराने होते हैं. हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में भी हुए थे, हमने भी भरे हैं पैसे. सो यप, इट विल कॉस्ट यू सम अप ऑफ अराउंड 20,000. सो इन समरी टोटल तुम्हारा 24-25 और टेक इट 25 to 26 लाख में ये यूनिवर्सिटी पूरी कवर हो जाएगी, लाइक योर whole expenses for 6 years. So yep, it's a catch. You can totally go for this university. So summing up this video, this university is English medium, government, rank is 178 in Russia and 5,244 in all over world. MC and WHO approved and is 100-year-old university, which means the faculty and the education will be good. It also have a international airport of its own. So yes, that would be it about Samara State Medical University. If you are interested and want to know more or have any queries regarding this and have any question regarding like anything in my any videos, whether it be the medical checkup, the visa extension or anything, you can just simply WhatsApp me or message me on my Instagram. I'll mention that in the description box. I'll pin up somewhere here also, as I usually do. So yes, that is it for this video. I hope it was informative and it would help you. And please comment down below the next university which you want me to talk about. I'll just look it up and gather some info about it and tell it all to you. So yep, that would be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching up till here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.